Shoot. I did not know he was streaming. Shoot, 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 shoot. Jack, if you're watching this video, sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Oh, I wish my phone... Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I did not know you were on. I was shooting a video and I have to do it on Fortnite. That's the only thing. I'm sorry.
I was in the game again.
Oh man, I wish my phone works. Cause I usually. My goodness.
What do you need to do?
Just talk about some important things.
Well, I'm in the party with Ghost, and then you kicked me out.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have texted you on PlayStation if you use it.
Okay, can I get back in the game with Ghost again?
But I was gonna stream. But that's the only
No,
thing.
but you said you won't play today.
Yeah, but I was gonna stream it. Just stream. That's it. I'm not gonna like play. I'm just gonna talk.
No, I need to get back in. Can you use another account?
I can't because.
Take it out with
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Fortnite Brother Owl, and how's your day been going today? My day's been going so far, and yeah, Jack does trust me. He just doesn't want me to do that. But yeah, anyway, guys, I can't play. Sorry, guys, I have to do in the main menu. You're gonna be like, why did he do that on purpose? But, you know, just tell him you could have, like, let him play and talk, cause that's why here he can shoot his stream. But it's okay to shoot the video. But it's okay, guys. I am so proud about everything and that the coronavirus will be gone next year. Don't say 2022. If people say that, let them say that. But they can't lie, guys. Lying gets worse, or honest gets better. If you're honest, then you're honest. Like Donald Trump, does he lie? Sometime, like, no offense. But, you know, I'm not offending him. I'm just, you know, no offense. Like, not trying to be rude, I'm just saying. So he can know and be like, ah, yes, I have lied. And Biden, he's straight and honest and everything. Yeah, God has to be like, be good, be honest. The more you be honest, the more the luck comes. Don't just say no and no and lie and lie. And be like, okay, I'll get you, and then you didn't. Like, just let's say I'm gonna go to Target or Walmart. Let's say I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna get my daughter something, and she begged me, and I was like, no, fine, fine, fine. Then I lie. That's gonna get worse. Or if I be honest, it will stop and then make her happy. Gotta make your daughter happy, guys. Can't wait until I'm 20. Either 18, yeah, 18 is a good age, guys, but I have to finish high school, and then I'll get the daughter, you know what I mean? Anyway, guys, we're gonna talk about some important things. It could be anything, and it is about things nobody know besides probably me and God, if I had it in my mind. It's not a secret thing, like something that some smart people know, some Christian know, some stuff like some NASA people know, maybe some smart people know. But it's okay, guys, you're smart. If you try your best to know it, then yeah. Anyway, guys, if you did not know, Don the Bomb was talking about The Walking Dead. He said that people hate comic book. Like, why? Jay from the Cub Scouts is gonna cry now. You're gonna make him sad. And some people who feel bad for Clementine. Come on, guys. We need the same actor, same voice. You can't be like, oh, you need someone. No offense, no offense. Not roasting you, Dom the Bomb, if you're watching the video, or talking smack about you. What I'm saying is that it could be the same actor. Maybe Melissa Hutchinson could quit after season 5. I mean, take a break from Walking Dead, and then Walking Dead's done. We don't have to do Walking Dead season 5, and then we're officially done. Anyway, guys, we're gonna talk about solar system that nobody knows. The universe, the galaxy, the solar system, the the galaxy, the solar system, and the galaxies, the stars, the planets, and the moons. So I'm gonna use my computer for some research. Okay. Okay. Jack, let me know when you want me to play Fortnite. And don't lie, don't talk smack about me. I did not know you were on, so don't be upset. Don't think I'm not a trusted friend. I did not know you were on. I shouldn't have told you, but I did not know. Let me not mess up, guys. Let me not mess up. I'm not a loser or a thief or a demon. I'm not those kind of guys. Okay, we're gonna talk about planets. Something nobody knows about planets. That could be a thing. Let me get my computer. Let me test my mic. I'm gonna test out my computer. I'm gonna go see if it's not crap and stuff. What should I shoot my game? GTA and Fortnite are the only thing. And Hydra kicked me out on purpose, cause he hates me. I think. I don't know. Let's not be rude, guys, but no, he doesn't hate me. He doesn't. But why though? Is he talking about me now? That's the answer is yes. Of course, everybody, guys. Nobody does. Some people. Sorry, guys. If you want to play Fortnite with me, I'm truly sorry. Even somebody new. Yeah. stuff. No, what the heck? Wait. Let me go on YouTube. YouTube. Okay. It's my stream. My stream, man. Do. Yeah, Hydra does not hate me. So let's not say stupid stuff. We are not mean. I'm not mean. Nobody's mean. Hydro, if you're watching this, it's not by you. Anyway, guys, let me test my mic. Nobody's mean. I'm just making sure, but maybe he wants to play Fortnite. Let's let him play. Come on, you can't let him just be like, come on. Oh, we're real close to get a win. Like, let's be respectful, right, Jack? If you hear this, respect. We respect people. I respect you. You respect me. And yeah, let's go on Google. Let's go. Number one. It's Mercury. Stuff nobody knows about Mercury. Stuff nobody. Mercury, my boy. It's a planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun at a distance of 57 million kilometers slash 35 million miles. Out of all the terrestrial planets, Mercury is the smallest. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Despite being so small, Mercury is the second densest in the solar system after Earth.
Hi.
Hey, Jack. Ten weird facts about Mercury. Stuff nobody knows about. Venus, my lovely planet. I love this. If you see in the sky, if you look in the sky, let me know. A day on a day on Venus is longer than a year. Oops. Did I mess up? Hope not. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the Sun. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus has 90 times the atmosphere pressure of Earth. Dang, I want to live on Venus when I have life. Okay, Venus. Well, Venus is not gonna be our star. You wish? It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis to complete one orbit of the Sun. That's 243 Earth days to rotate once. The longest rotation of any planet in the solar system, and only 224.7 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. Number 2, Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the Sun. It means temperature is 462 Celsius. This is because of the high concentration of carbon dioxide in Venus' atmosphere, which works to produce intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat in the atmosphere like a blanket and causing the temperature of the planet to be much higher than its proximity to the Sun would suggest. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. All the other planets spin anti-clockwise on their axis and orbit the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction. Venus also orbits the Sun anti-clockwise, but its unusual axis rotation is due to upside down. It was knocked off its upright position earlier in its history. Astronomers believe that at some point a colliding celestial body tilted Venus so far off its original that it is now upside down. The only other planet to spin in a weird direction is Uranus, which spins on its side, probably a result of another collision earlier on in its life. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. The clouds of sulfuric acid in Venus' atmosphere make it reflective and shiny, and observers are view of its surface. Its brightness makes it visible during the day if it's clear and you know where to look. Ah, that's the sun, probably. Number 5. Venus has 90 times the atmosphere pressure of Earth. That's about the same as the pressure at a depth of 1 kilometer in Earth's oceans. Number 6. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is thought that Venus was named after the beauty Roman goddess corresponding to the Greek Aphrodite due to its bright, shining appearance in the sky. See, Jack, I'm not talking about you. I'm just wondering why you kicked me out, but probably you want to play. Yeah, you can play anyway. Let's focus on this. Not about Jack. The video is now about being disrespectful to Jack. Plus, you can get banned by that anyway. Of the 5 planets known to ancient astronomers, it would have been the brightest. Number 7. Venus was the first planet to have its motions plotted across the sky as early as the second millennium BC. Because Venus is easy to spot with the naked eye, it is impossible to say who discovered the planet. But over the centuries, we have been able to measure Venus' motions, such as the rare transit of Venus when the planet appears from Earth to cross it from the front of the Sun. Yeah, Earth to cross the front of the Sun. Number 8. We tend to say Venerian. Following of Latin, we should say Venerian as the adjective to describe things related to Venus. However, this is deemed to be close to the word veneral. The more commonly word is by its clockly atmosphere. Insight Astronomy Photographer of the year 2020. So, see the biggest photography. Find out more. See the universe in a new light. Is it just me, or it's okay? It's okay. We are good. Facts about Venus? Okay, we already read that. Nope. Not eat. Eat. 7 things you didn't know about the Earth. The Earth is mostly iron and oxygen. 7.4 billion people live on Earth. 71% of the Earth's surface is water. There are more than 400 species of sharks. A year on Earth isn't 365 days. There are 5 oceans. Earth isn't the biggest planet. We need to protect our planet now. Okay. Sea life. Okay, I need to learn about sea life. But we are learning about the planet. The planet's poles flip. It has a super-sized moon. The biggest mammal migration is airborne. It hosts a whole Mongo's fungus. Some parts are downright alien looking. There are hidden gems beneath your feet. There's an underwater meadow. One river is boiling. I'm joking. We don't want to be rude. The auroras are my beautiful auroras. Anyway, guys, I don't wanna. Okay, about Mars. Nobody knows about Mars. Plus, Mars is my baby. Uh, Mars is called the red planet because of its color, and there are some interesting facts you should know. Mars has less surface gravity than Earth, so if humans ever set foot on the planet, they would feel lighter. A day on Mars lasts about 40 minutes. A Martian year is the equivalent of 687 Earth days. Dang. Please. Do I have to read the... My controller's dead. Dang it! No! My controller's dead. Yeah, I have to charge my controller. Dang it! No! No! Yeah, I have to charge my controller. No! No! Yeah, I have to charge my controller. Sorry, Jack. My controller's dead. Okay, ready to hear this, Jack? Sorry, Jack. My controller's... Yeah, let's pause the video, but... Okay. Mars is one of the 8 planets in our solar system. Besides Mars, we also have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mars is called the red planet because of its color, and these are some interesting facts you should know. Aha! Let's. Oh, no, no, no. Number 1, Mars has less surface gravity than Earth, so if humans ever set foot on the planet, they would feel lighter. Number 2, a day on Mars lasts about 40 minutes. A Martian year is equivalent of 687 Earth days. Dang. Scientists discover water on Mars. Oh, there's still water? Okay. NASA wants to create a colony of humans on Mars in 2030. Please, I want to live on my baby Mars. Mars, don't worry. We have to live on you. Oh yeah, Jupiter Great Red Spot will be gone. And that's what we're going to learn about after this. Now, let's not spoil it. Talk about it, I meant to say. If you don't know about it. You may think that because of its red color, Mars would be a warm planet, but it is actually really cold. Mars is the 4th planet of the solar system. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos, Fear, and Deimos, Panic. Is that a joke? Or a riddle? I don't know, to be honest. The average temperature on Mars is 55 degrees Celsius. I can handle that. I handled it in Earth. Just gotta wear a jacket. Sunsets on Mars are blue. The tallest mountain in the solar system belongs to Mars. 7 robots are known to be citizens of Mars. the citizens of Mars. There is a reason that Mars is red. It's covered in rust. It's covered in rust. Number 14. Earth is. I was. Okay. Mars is much smaller than Earth. It's actually half of Earth's size. Number 15. A really funny fact is that 3 men from Yemen sued NASA in 2003 because they claim that Mars belonged to them. They said that their ancestors left them the planet. Number 16. Mars is. Yeah, that's funny. Number 16. Mars is a planet that we could easily grow apricots because of its soil. Number 17. 14 billion years ago, Mars had an oxygen-rich atmosphere. Number 18. A NASA engineer signed a flag for the planet. Number 19. Mars is one of the planets that you can eye. Number 20. The largest sandstorms happen on Mars. Number 21. Mercury is the smallest planet on the solar system. Mars is second. Mars was first viewed by Galileo Galilei in 1610 via a telescope. Number 23. You will not find a magnetic field on Mars. I can. I'm joking. I can't even dig in the core. I'm gonna die. Who wants to go in the core? Valentine, do you want to go in the core? On Mars. Do you want to live on Mars? Okay, wait until 2030. I don't know. They have to put a lot of water. Oh, I wish. Okay, Mars. And we are gonna do. It's dead. We have to wait until 2030. Maybe when Earth ends, we might not be alive that time. Okay, next is Jupiter. Hope we know something about Jupiter. NASA, not a straight answer. They're smart. It's no secret that Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. For one, the mass of Jupiter is 318 times as massive as the Earth. In fact, Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all of the other planets in the solar system. Sorry, I don't know what I said. Combined. Yeah, combined. Well, sorry, my throat. 10 interesting facts about Jupiter universe today. I love you, Great Red Spot. 10 interesting facts about Jupiter. Jupiter was approximately named after the king of the gods. It's massive, has a powerful magnetic field, and more moons than any planet in the solar system. Though it has been known to astronomers since ancient times, invention of the telescope and the advent of modern astronomy has taught us so much about this gas giant. In short, there are countless interesting facts about this gas giant that many people just don't know about. And we here at the universe today have taken the liberty of compiling a list of 10 particularly interesting ones that we think will fascinate and surprise you. Think you know everything about Jupiter? Think again. Number 1. Sorry, Okay, there you go. Number 1. Jupiter is massive. Massive. It's no secret that Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, but this description really doesn't do it justice. For one, the mass of Jupiter is 318 times as massive as the Earth. In fact, Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all of the other planets in the solar system combined. But here's the really interesting thing. Okay, come on, people, we gotta hear this. I can't, I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. If Jupiter got any more massive, it would actually get smaller. Additional mass would actually make the planet more dense, which would cause it to start pulling it in on itself. Astronomers estimate that Jupiter could end up with 4 times its mass and still remain about the same size. Number 2, Jupiter cannot become a star. Aww. Now we're gonna die. Well, that's my guess. Maybe God knows. God is smart, but NASA is not God. So it's not a rude thing. I'm just saying. Anyway, number 2, Jupiter cannot become a star. Astronomers call Jupiter a failed star, but that's not really an appreciated description. While it is true that, like a star, Jupiter is rich in hydrogen and helium, Jupiter does not have nearly enough mass to trigger a fusion reaction in its core. This is how stars generate energy, by fusing hydrogen atoms together under extreme heat and pressure to create helium, releasing light and heat in the process. Now I know why helium is in Jupiter. See, I told you helium can burn you, kill you, so let's not be rude. No offense. Anyway, guys, I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just saying. Like, give you freckles. That's where freckles are first made. Anyway, guys, okay. This is made possible by their enormous gravity. For Jupiter to ignite a nuclear fusion process and become a star, it would need more than 70 times its current mass. If you could crash dozens of Jupiter together, you might have a chance to make a new star, but in the meantime, Jupiter shall remain a large gas giant with no hopes of becoming a star. Sorry, Jupiter. Well, for now, but maybe in the future when the sun dies, Jupiter will be our star. Imagine Saturn became a star, that'll be double star. But we will wait until our far future. For now, it's Jupiter. But we gotta find out. I said it. God knows, but he can't tell us. That's why it's a secret. I can't tell you. If I have a secret about it, I can't say it. NASA knows, but right now God knows. Anyway, guys. Hold on, sorry. Sorry if you hear this. Hey, Valentina, what are you doing? Ow, ow, ow! Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. For all its. Sorry, guys, just testing my mic. I mean, I'll just make you know what I mean. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. For all its size and mass, Jupiter sure moves quickly. In fact, with an rotational velocity of 12.6 kilometers slash s, 7.45 millimeters slash s, or 45,300 kilometers slash h. Gotta know what it stands for. 28,148 mile per hour. The planet only takes about 10 hours to complete a full rotation on its axis, and because it's spinning so rapidly, the planet has flattened out as the poles a little and is bulging at its equator. In fact, points on Jupiter's equator are more than 4,600 kilometers further from the center than the poles. Or, to put it another way, the planet's polar radius measures to 66,854 plus 10 kilometers, or 10.517, that thousand of Earth, while its diameter at the equator is 71,492 plus 4 kilometers, or 11.209 kilometers that of Earth. This rapid rotation also helps generate Jupiter's powerful magnetic field and contribute to the dangerous radiation surrounding it. My teacher wanted to watch this video. Hope my sister didn't curse. Number 4. The clouds on Jupiter are only 50 kilometers thick. That's right. All those beautiful whirling clouds and storms you see on Jupiter are only about 50 kilometers thick. They're made of ammonia crystals broken up into two different clouds decks. The darker material is thought to be compounds brought up from deeper inside Jupiter and then change color when they reacted with sunlight. But below those clouds, it's just hydrogen and helium. Helium from the core and the sun, both mixed up. You know what I mean? But that's why the sun have helium to burn up and get energy and light. All the way down. Okay, yeah, all the way down. Oh, oh, oh! I don't want to drop my computer. If any of my teacher, I don't want to say their name. If they watch it, they enjoy it. Number 5, the Great Red Spot has been around for a long time. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is one of its most familiar features. This present anti-cyclonic storm, which is located south of its equator, measures between 24,000 kilometers in diameter and 12-14,000 kilometers in height. As such, it is large enough to contain 2 or 3 planets the size of Earth's diameter, and the spot has been around for at least 350 years, since it were spotted as far back as the 17th century. The Great Red Spot was first identified in 1665 by an Italian astronomer, Giovanni Cassini. By the 20th century, astronomers began to surmise that it was a storm, one which was created by Jupiter's turbulent and fast-moving atmosphere. These theories were confirmed by the Voyager 1 mission, which observed the giant red spot up close in March of 1979 during its flyby of the planet. However, it appears to have been shrinking since that time. Based on Cassini's observations, the size was estimated to be 40,000 kilometers in the 17th century, which was almost twice as large as it now. Astronomers do not know if or when it will ever disappear entirely, but they are relatively sure that another one will emerge somewhere else on the planet. Okay, waiting for 2030, because that's what they said on YouTube. YouTube don't lie, sometimes. No offense. Number 6, Jupiter has rings. When people think of ring systems, Saturn naturally comes to mind, but in truth, both Uranus and Jupiter have ring systems of their own. The Jupiters were the third set to be discovered, after the other two, due to the fact that they are partly faint. Jupiter's rings consist of the 3 main segments: an inner core of particles known as the halo, a relatively bright main ring, and an outer gossamer ring. Excuse me. Gossamer ring, main ring, Amalcia, Adrastea, Metis, CB, just smaller, a segment of Jupiter's ring system showing the four main components, forcibly Metis and rings are despite and sharing their orbit. Credit NASA slash GPL slash Conrail University. These rings are widely believed to have come from material ejected by its moons when they're struck by meteorite impacts in particular, sorry, I can't pronounce the word. Just don't make fun of my reading. The main ring is thought to be composed of material from the moons of Andromeda and Metis, while the moons of CB and Messia are believed to produce the two distant components of the dusty Gossamer ring. This material fell into orbit around Jupiter instead of falling back to their respective moon, because if Jupiter's strong gravitational influence, the ring is also depleted and replenished regardless as some material veers towards Jupiter while new material is added by additional impacts. Number 7. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's. Compasses would really work on Jupiter. That's because it has the strongest magnetic field in the solar system. Astronomers think the magnetic field is generated by the eddy currents, I point, E point swirling movements of conducting materials within the liquid magnetic hydrogen core. Hydrogen, the gas. This magnetic field traps particles of sulfur dioxide from Io's volcanic eruptions, which producing sulfur and oxygen ions together with hydrogen ions originating from the atmosphere of Jupiter. These form a plasma sheet in Jupiter's equatorial plane. Aurora, return current, direct current. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, there you are. Okay, direct current, radio current, Iotors. Hello? Iotors, Europa, Ganymede, current sheet, Callisto, magnetic risk. Farther out, the interaction of the magnetic field with the solar wind generates a bow shock, a dangerous belt of radiation that can cause damage to spacecraft. Jupiter's four largest moons all orbit within the magnetic sphere, which protects them from the solar wind, but also makes the likelihood of establishing outposts on their surface problematic. The magnetic field of Jupiter is also responsible for intense episodes of radio emission from the planet's polar regions. Number 8. Jupiter has 67 moons. Sorry guys, I'm gonna pause the video, okay guys? Um Hold on, I'm just gotta type.
Saturn will be next, okay guys?
Delete that. That's not what I wanted. That's not the delete that. That's not what I Saturn will be next, okay guys? Okay, question mark. Cause I have a question for you guys. If it's not right, let's go see how she says.
Saturn will be next, okay guys?
So yeah, Saturn will be next, okay guys? Anyway guys. Yes, Jupiter has 67 moons. As of the penning of this article, Jupiter has a 67 confirmed and named satellite. However, it is estimated that the planet has over 200 natural satellites orbiting it. Almost all of them are less than 10 kilometers in diameter and were only discovered after 1975 when the first spacecraft Pioneer 10 arrived at Jupiter. Let me turn it off because it's gonna be distracting. Not turn off the video, like pause the video. So hold on. Uh, Hold on before we do it. I got a question, but Uranus and Neptune will be next to. Now let me pause it, okay guys? But before we pause
Uranus and Neptune will be next.
it, it just say tuh. I don't know why. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, Uranus and Neptune will be next too. Okay, guys. Anyway, guys, let me pause the video. Before we do that, let's hear my voice. I don't know why, but you know. What the heck happened? Like, My computer's about to die, guys. Let me pause the video. Well, guys, looks like we're gonna stop at number 8, guys. I don't have time, to be honest. So, hope you enjoy this video, guys. It means a lot, guys. To be honest, it means a lot. So, I'll be streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna tell Jack that I'll play Fortnite tomorrow just to stream it. Because I really need to talk about it, guys. And then, yeah, it's gonna be about a different video. We'll do Saturn next time. We'll see, guys. But anyway, have a nice one for the guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or whatever. I'm ready to talk about Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and Pluto next time. Whatever. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice one day. And yeah, peace.
Press the